Hey guys! Okay, so today I am trying out the Ouidad Vitalcurl. It's one of their lines. If you go on their website, you can see the type of curl that you have and which, I guess, line of Ouidad, if you're gonna call it that, you would use. So if you have loose curls, medium curls, or like really tight curls, they'll suggest to you which products you should get. I went online and I am the Vitalcurl, and I bought this huge tub of conditioner because it was on sale. Right now you can get it for like $35 on Amazon. I'll post the link below. And yeah, I wanted to see if I use this for a week, would it make a difference in my hair? Like, do you need to spend more money on a more expensive conditioner? Like, that's strictly for curly hair, and it, you know, again, I go back, I've said I've been to Ouidad in the city, in Manhattan, and I'm going back many years though. And you know, they gave me a lot of great tips for styling my hair. And you know, everybody that leaves there looks the same. That's the only thing, that literally everybody has the same hairstyle. But you know, they do a really good cut. I get a Ouidad cut maybe once a year. My hairstylist is certified in cutting Ouidad. So she does that for me, and then I just get trimmed throughout the year. But I do feel like, I don't know, I like Ouidad. I like that there's, you know, a product out there for the curly hair girl. So I also am going to try today the Define and Shine Styling Gel Cream. You know, I don't like getting stuff that has the word gel in it because I don't like gel. Like, is it a gel? Is it a cream? Which one is it? I guess it's a cream with a gel hold. I don't know, but we'll try it. I've used products like that before, and I feel like when it says that it has that gel crunchiness, which I don't like, and I just have to scrunch the heck out of it. But you know, but going back to the conditioner, I don't know. For me, I don't see or feel much of a difference after using this for a little over a week. I just don't. And I don't think that you need to spend double the price on conditioner. I don't know, I have a lot of conditioners out there that I really like. The OGX, they have so many different types of conditioners, like it has coconut in it, it has keratin in it, like so many, and I personally love them. That's just my favorites right now, but I'll even switch it up. I'll do L'Oreal, I'll do anything. If I see it, oh, it was a sale, okay, 2 for 1, you know, 2 for whatever, I'll get that, because at the end of the day, and I do, when I rinse my hair, that's what I could tell if a conditioner really, like, ooh, that made my hair feel good or whatnot. And this didn't do anything special for my hair. Sorry, Ouidad. You know, I love Ouidad, but I don't know, I just don't see that you have to spend more money on conditioner. I'd rather spend more money on a styling product because that's the end result more. So that being said, let's get right into styling my hair with this Define Shine Styling Gel Cream. Okay. So I got my usual thing in my hair here. Okay, and I'm going to bring this up. Actually, see, that's funny because it actually looks like a gel cream because it's white, but it's a little more see-through, if you would say, than like a solid cream would be. So I guess it actually is a gel cream. Pretty funny. It's not much of a smell to it. Put my hair. Start over. Put my hair. I'm not gonna go overboard. I'm just gonna put. Sometimes I go overboard. But if I don't, it shows my hair is frizzy. So I have to kind of feel the product and if it's enough that I put in. Okay, I think I have all the product in. I mean, it is lightweight, it's not heavy, it's not greasy at all, which, I know, I see as a plus. So curious to see how it works out. If you want to see how I style my hair, I'll post that up above. And yeah, so let me go style my hair, dry it, and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I styled my hair, and yeah, I mean, it definitely dried quick. I would definitely say this is more on the gel side rather a cream, which for me personally is not my favorite because, you know, first of all, it dries as it's hard, so you feel that crunchiness, and my hair just doesn't feel nourished. It feels dry, and that's what gels do to my hair. They make my hair feel dry, and my hair is dry on its own enough. I don't need any more drying. You know, gel has alcohol in it. That's why I stay away from gels and I stick more with the creams because it's more nourishing. So no, it didn't make my hair look bad. My hair looks fine. I feel like it's a little more puffier than I would prefer, but I don't know. I just, you know, when you go on there to see what your hair type is and which product you should use, and that's why I picked the Vitalcurl, they don't really ask you about texture, and I think that's where, you know, the problem is, because even though my curls might look okay, they don't look like tight, and they don't look too loose, my texture is dry, my texture is pretty coarse, and you know, maybe you can't see that, but you can feel it. So I need something that's more nourishing. If you really want to try Ouidad, and I suggest you do, I mean, definitely don't give up on Ouidad because of this one product that I didn't like. There are so many products that Ouidad offers, and I'm going to tell you, this curl quencher, I have a video that I did on it. I'll post it. I did it with versus what's the other one, Diva Curl, and I really like this. This, you know, nourishes my hair, makes me feel better. You know, my hair feels softer and smoother, and it makes my hair look good. So there are a ton of Ouidad products to choose from. If you find that you have dry, coarse hair, maybe don't go with the Vitalcurl, and you know what, maybe even the conditioner, maybe another conditioner. I used their conditioner years ago, but again, because of the price, this, by the way, was $23 on Amazon. I'll do a link below if you like, but you know, the conditioner, I don't know, I just feel for the price, it's just not worth it for my type of hair and for me. OGX, I'm gonna post those below too, because those are my favorite conditioners. They make my hair feel like, some of them, like when I rinse my hair in the shower, I'm just like, oh my god, my hair feels so smooth and soft and moisturized, and you know, those are like $5 to $6. So, you know, and they smell so good, and they stay with your hair. So the smell. So I personally love those. So again, not hating on Ouidad, because there are products that I do like from Ouidad. Curl Quencher, Hydrofusion Intense Curl Cream, that was a great one. This one just didn't work for me because it's partially gel, and I just don't like gels. I stay away from gels. So, you know, I'll keep trying other ones though, because Ouidad is a great product for curly hair. I mean, you know, yeah. So that's it. Thanks guys. I hope you found this video informative. And till next time, please subscribe below, give me a thumbs up,